Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So student, today date is 26/10/2020. Chapter number 17. Chapter number 17. First war of British rule and the first war of independence. So student, in this chapter, long question answer, we have not completed long question answer, that is question number E of this chapter. Okay, so without writing the long question answer and one question from short answer, we have started and completed chapter number 18 and 19. So note down the long one short question answers and long question answer of chapter number 17. Okay, short answer, question D, short answer. That is question number 3. Name some leaders of the revolt of 1857. Name some leaders of the revolt of 1857. So student, in 1857 there are some of the leaders which fight against the British people, because the law and rules which is made by the British administration at that time, that is the reason the Nawabs and are not happy with the British people, and then they decided to revolt against them, and this is also known as first war of a independence. This is also known as first war of a independence. So some leaders of the revolt, some leaders some leaders of the revolt of 1857 are Bahadur Shah, Bahadur Shah Jafar, Nana Sahib, Nana Sahib Tantia Tope, Tantia Tope from Kanpur, and Liaquat Ali and Liaquat Ali and Kunwar Singh from Bihar, two brave women Rani Lakshmibai and Begum Hazrat Mahal of Awadh. Note down. So student, names of leader of the revolt of 1857. Some leaders of the revolt of 1857 are Bahadur Shah Jafar, Nana Sahib, Tantia Tope from Kanpur, and Liaquat Ali and Kunwar Singh from Bihar, and two brave women that also fight in the revolt of 1857, that you can also say the first war of independence, Rani Lakshmi Bai from Jhansi and Begum Hazrat Mahal of Awadh. Is it clear? Long answer questions. Wrong answer questions. The revolt of 1857 proved to be a turning point The revolt of 1857 proved to be a turning point in Indian history. In Indian history, how? So the revolt of 1857, the revolt of 1857, the seed of discontent the revolt of 1857, the seed of discontent. It means the Indian peoples are not satisfied with the British rule at that time. To grow the nationalist feeling the nationalist feelings nationalist feeling born during this struggle during this struggle became became deeper year after year. This feeling inspired the Indians to inspired this feeling inspired the Indians to finally succeed in overthrowing the foreign rule in 1947. To finally succeeded in overthrowing the foreign rule in 1947. Okay, so student, see, the revolt of 1857 proved to be a turning point in Indian history. How? So the revolt of 1857, the seed of discontent to grow. The Indian peoples are totally not satisfied by the British people and their rules and law, which is made by the British administration. No, which is made by the British people. So now what happened? The nationalist feeling born during the struggle become deeper year after year, and this feeling inspired the Indians to finally succeeded in overthrowing the foreign rules in 1947. इज इट क्लियर? मतलब एक बहुत पहले की बात तो थी, ये तो हुआ था, कब हुआ था? 1857, लगभग लगभग आप समझ लो 90 इयर्स बिफोर की बात है। 1857 ना, हाँ 60 तो 40, हाँ लगभग 80-90 ईयर्स पहले की बात हुआ इस रिवॉल्ट के। उसके बाद भी इंडिया को वी गेट द फ्रीडम इन 1947। इज इट क्लियर? सो note down the answer or you can take a screenshot also. Second question, why were the Indians rulers and princes unhappy with the British? Why were the question 2, why were the Indian rulers and princess unhappy with the British? So see, the Indian rulers and princes were unhappy with the British. The Indian rulers and princes were unhappy with the British unhappy with the British as their power was taken away. As their power was taken away, as their power were taken away, as their power were taken away, many unjust laws were passed by the British like the doctrine like the doctrine of lapse, according to which doctrine of lapse, according to which according to which if a ruler died without a leaving a male here, if a ruler died without leaving a male here, his territory would pass on to British hands. So, student, the Indian rulers and princes were unhappy with the British as their power was taken away. And now, what unjust law that has been passed by the British people, and this law is doctrine of lapse. What does it mean? It means that if any ruler die without leaving a male heir, अगर कोई राजा डाई कर जाता है और उसका कोई अपना बेटा नहीं है, तो व्हाट हैपेंस, उसकी जो भी राज्य जो होगा, उसका जो भी टेरिटरी मीन्स जो भी उसका राज्य होगा, वो सीधे किसके हैंड में आ जाएगा? ब्रिटिश पीपल की. इज इट क्लियर? इफ दिस हैपन दैट अ रूलर डाइड विदाउट अ leaving a male heir, his territory would pass on to a British hands. So this is also the reason for the revolt of, this is also the reason for the revolt of 1857. Now student, we have to write what were the causes of the revolt of 1857. Now in this question student, we will discuss why there is a revolt of 1857. So we have to write the reason for that. Is it clear? So note down the cause of the revolt of 1857 was the cause of the revolt of 1857 was the Indian soldiers were humiliated. उनका अपमान किया जाता था. were humiliated as the Indian soldiers were humiliated as there was marked discrimination and disparity in the salary and station. In the salary and stations. Second point, grease cartridges used had animal fat and had to be bitten off had to be bitten bitten off before being loaded. So student, the cause of the revolt of 1857 was, the first cause was the soldier, Indian soldier were humiliated. ठीक है, उनका अपमान किया जाता था. And good stations are given to the British officers, and in all the higher rank ब्रिटिश पीपल्स को दी जाती थी, इंडियंस को नहीं दी जाती थी. एंड देयर इज लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस बिटवीन द सैलरी ऑफ द ब्रिटिश पीपल एंड द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया हु आर इन ब्रिटिश आर्मी. सेकेंड इज, एट दैट टाइम द grease which is used in the cartridges, so that is what they are using, the animal fat, maybe cow or pig. So and these, before opening this, they have to bitten from the मुंह से खोलना पड़ता था. तो that is the reason both the Hindus and Muslims which are in the British army, they are totally not happy with this. So this is also the reason for the revolt of 1857. Okay, thank you student.